Day of the American Muscle Show. 6 in the morning right now. We're actually in Pennsylvania, staying at a bed and breakfast. Didn't get in until about 8 p.m. last night. As you can see, the car made it. Got some, it's got a lot of bugs. All right. I was hoping I wasn't gonna hit too many. So here she is. Obviously, here's the Mustang we traveled with to Carlisle. If you watched that video. This is also our other friend who has a 14. Gotta have it green V6. It's got a badass wrap on it. Joker like. And then our other friend actually has his car at the show. So he's at the I believe he's at the exhaust tent, one of the vendors, I forget which one. But yeah, hopefully the weather holds out and we can get a nice day. I'm gonna try and film a lot today. Definitely more than I have done in previous. It's beautiful up here though, as you can see. To be honest, I have no idea where I am. The wife was the navigator coming here. But coming here, a location you don't know, at like 8 at night, I could not see a damn thing through this tent. I literally did 20 miles an hour through these windy roads because we could not see anything. So we left a lot later than we wanted to. We didn't want to leave that late. But with my work and her work, we didn't get home till late. So, and it took us about almost 2 hours to get here. So yeah, excited. 3,000 plus Mustangs. Doesn't get any better than that. Hopefully I run into some of you guys here. I know some of you are here. So I know a lot of you are leaving today to come up. So see you all at the show. I think you might email.
Okay, then you're good. Just go straight through.
I told you. You're gonna look at me like that. Oh my god.
Not even point.
What?
I don't even know where I'm going now.
Were you supposed to go straight?
You said go straight through. We're going this way.
I guess there's a do not enter sign over there, so nobody's chasing you down, are they? I think you went the wrong way.
I left the tag at home.
You forgot our toothpaste. You forgot our cooler. You forgot the tag.
Oh my god. Great start to American Muscle.
Alright, I just didn't know if it was set up. It looks kind of...
Tent setup time.
This tent is pointless, bud.
No shade yet.
So you need
Crowd is filling. Johnny Lightning's ready to rock. Head on down to the dyno area. We're going to get that kicked off real soon. Welcome y'all to the 8th Annual American Muscle Car Show.
Johnny Lightning. You can hear that one in the next township. It looked like a good pull. Let's see what happens here, guys.
So here we are at the American Muscle Show 2016. It is hot. Way too hot. This place is packed. See if I can show you some of this. Definitely a lot to look at here. Eventually they all blend together.
You don't have to be here to win. You can put your name and phone number on the back of the ticket. Alright? Contrary to what you may have thought earlier, you do not have to be here to win. So, dig deep in the pockets,
It's so fucking hot out here. I'm dying. We're all dying out here. But it's definitely an amazing show. Meeting a lot of cool people. Trying to find something to eat now. And find shape. I will keep it posted. It's at a bad angle because I can't see anything. It's fine.
Oh shit, how do you like that one?
I like it.
I bought it, so he has to say that.
It's nice and small.
What did it say?
The dog's air conditioning is on.
I guess the truck wasn't running, but the air conditioning was on.
I guess, but that blows hot air. No. Huh? No, you're not in it.
I'm gonna be right there. What the hell's that?
GoPro. This is Donna.
Hi.
We also got JD here. Found me. So he's getting some video of my car. So, we're all here sweating. It's super hot. But, yeah. Same as my Instagram.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next.
Same handle.
11:30 a.m. The SUT Dyno
Actually, I got
Challenge.
a link
First
in
one
the
of the day.
Instagram bio.
Make sure you make your way over to the dyno, center of the parking complex.
Sharing the love between YouTubes and Instagrams. A lot of people here from Instagram and YouTube. But yeah, just trying to take a little bit of video, keep you all in the loop. But you can see his setup's a lot better than mine. Still sweating here. Now everything's going good. It's coming, getting down to the end. It's almost 2 o'clock now. A bunch of cars are already leaving, probably mainly because of the heat. It is so hot here. Met a lot of cool people, met a lot of people I've been wanting to meet, especially on YouTube and Instagram. So appreciate everybody that came out and said something. Met up with JD. He's got a YouTube and Instagram. Most of you probably already know him. If you found me, you probably definitely know him. We did a little thing for his channel, so if you go check out his channel, it'll be on there. You probably saw some of the video before this clip. So successful though. It's been a great day, other than how hot it's been. Let's take a look at what we got. So there's my car. As you can see, most of the people next to me left, so I just pulled it up a little bit. You got all the vendors here. At 2 o'clock, they're going to be doing some cars down the drag strip, so check that out. They already did the dyno. They already did the exhaust challenge, or rev challenge. You can see some more people leaving here. Great show though. A lot of vendors, a lot more here than Carlisle. If you watch my Carlisle vid, definitely nowhere near the amount that's here. So to me, it seems this year was a little less people than previous years, and I think mainly that's because of the heat. With the heat index today, I think it's like 105. So, and there's not too much shade. A lot of people brought tents, as we did. That's our tent there. So, appreciate everybody watching the video. Luckily, I was able to bring my email up and show them that I bought registration, because as you saw, I forgot that at the hotel room. So, whatever. Gotta love it though. Once this show is come and gone, summer starts coming to an end now, so hopefully we can get some more content as far as mods for the car, I think I'm pretty much done until winter hits. Not really doing too much more shows, and as far as buying more stuff for the car, I'm gonna wait till the winter. But yeah, I'll probably make some more videos or clips after this, but for some reason this is the end. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate all the subscribers. We're actually almost going to hit 100, which means nothing to most people, but that's cool to me. You know, 100 subscribers on YouTube. You know, Instagram to me is a lot more easier than building up a big following on YouTube. So yeah, appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll try to get some more exhaust video of the cutouts when I leave here. So. As far as the show, this is it. Hope you all have a good day, good weekend, good week. Take care. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave some comments. Thank you.